Sailors up, the sun's barely up. Coffee in my hand, feed bags in the truck. Two little girls in the backseat grinning, talking about the next big buckle they're winning. We've been down these roads 1,000 times. Every dusty mile's been worth the grind. They got that fire and I've got the wheel. This is more than a hobby, it's a deal we seal. We're chasing buckles and banners, we're running on faith. From jackpots to nationals, every fair in the state. It ain't about the trophies, it's about the ride. The lessons they're learning and the pride in their eyes. Every long drive, every late night, every better look next time. And the winds that feel right. I'm just a dad on the sidelines, doing all that I can, chasing buckles and banners with my girls in the van. I seen them sweat, I seen them shine. I watched them lose but hold the line. Their hands on that show stick, hearts full of grit, teaching me more than I'll ever admit. From washing to clipping, they give it their all in the palm before daylight. Answer your call, it's more than a ribbon, it's who they'll become. Learning that the hard work's where the real prize comes from. We're chasing